Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my glueless unit from WowAfrican. So those are the adjustable straps, and I'm just going to connect them together and put them on. This wig in the straps has a very tight hold, so you don't need any glue to get a natural look on it. So I'm kind of struggling right now putting it on, but I'm going to get it. So now I'm basically just fixing it and adjusting it to my head and fixing the strap in the back. Now that I've got it on my head, I'm going to go ahead and just press it out a little bit with my flat iron. And then I'm just going to flatten out the top with my hot comb. And ta-da, here it is. Here's the easy glueless look with a simple middle part. I'm really feeling it this way. I kind of like it better than the second style I did. But you guys comment down below and let me know which one you like better. So now I'm going to be switching it up and I'm going to do a front bangs. Yes, front bangs. I don't think I've ever done front bangs before. And to be honest, now that I'm thinking about it, I never in my real life actually did front bangs. I always wanted a hairstyle when I was a little girl, but my mom always said no and never let me cut my real hair into bangs. So now I'm older and I'm going to do it to my wig. Now I'm just basically parting it out and trying to make it as even as I can. I'm going to be taking my BTZ heat protection spray and I'm just going to spray that and then go in with my hot comb. This is just so I can have the hair pressed out and falling in front of my face. So I'm not going to be using scissors, but I'm going to be using my razor because I want to have like a choppy bang look. I don't want to have like a straight across look. So yes, I'm going ahead and chopping up my bangs. And now I'm just going to take my flat iron and I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little bump and just get everything looking good. And I'm actually starting to feel it. It looks pretty cute. And now I'm going to be taking my scissors and I'm just going to be cutting off any strings that are too long or kind of in the way or getting in my eyes. And now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just hot combing it. Oh my god, I burned myself. Put the hot comb down real quick. Y'all, that shit hurt. I kind of felt it just now. But I'm trying to get it to lay more flatter.
What we do here is go back.
I really like this. Even though it's out the box, this is like my first time ever having bangs my whole life. Like, I've never had bangs before. I used to always want them when I was younger, but my mom never let me get them. So this is like a different look. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really feeling it. I got bangs, y'all. And this wig is super easy. It's basically a glueless wig. Like, majority of WowAfrican hair comes with these adjustable straps, so you don't have to glue your wig down. You can always just do the glueless method. I myself always choose to just glue my wigs down just to be fully secured. But from the looks of how this feels, oh my lips, from the looks of how tight it feels, I don't think that this wig is really gonna go anywhere at all. I'm honestly giving I can't remember the girl's name from Scooby-Dooby-Doo, but that's the vibes that I feel like I'm giving off right now, and I really actually like it. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Only thing is though, like, I don't know how to keep right here flat. Like, it keeps puffing out, and I burned my fucking forehead with the hot comb, so I'm real scared. I'm just gonna got to be some more and then do this. When I do it with got to be and I do that, it gives me more of a flatter look. So yes, y'all, it's me. I know it don't look like me, but it's me. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you guys check out WowAfrican Wig. They have the best quality wigs, nice installs. The wigs always come with a cap, adjustable straps, a baby hair toothbrush, and it also comes with a Wow African comb. Wow African, and it says Wow African on it. So be sure to check them out, y'all, and let me know what y'all think. And also, I did not custom color this hair. This hair actually came like this. That's what makes it even more, I don't know, cute. This is like a nice color. They're like exact on everything. It ombres in so perfect. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you guys are interested in this, please look in my description box, and all the information will be listed down below.